Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital voice recorders, perfect for students, professionals, journalists, and anyone who needs crystal clear audio on the go. We're counting down the top 5 best digital voice recorders. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the EVIDA Digital Voice Recorder. The EVIDA Digital Voice Recorder, a feature-packed device for students, professionals, and anyone who needs crisp audio recordings. The PCM recording delivers 1536 kbps studio-level clarity with noise cancellation, perfect for lectures and meetings. Plus, it supports multiple formats, MP3 WAV, and has 128 GB storage. That's 9,296 hours of recordings. This lets you set 6 sensitivity levels, so it only captures speech, no dead air or whispers. Super efficient for saving space. It's more than a recorder. It's a USB drive, MP3 player, and even has password protection. The 4-folder system keeps files organized, and A/B repeat helps with transcribing. Pros? Amazing battery, 54+ hours, crisp audio, and phone support from specialists. Cons? The menu could be simpler and it's slightly bulky for pocket use. If you need long battery life, pro-level audio, and tons of storage, the EVIDA is a fantastic pick. Perfect for students, journalists, or business pros. Coming in at number 4 is the Aiworth Digital Voice Recorder. The Aiworth E36, a feature-packed device for students, journalists, and professionals. The dual-mic PCM recording delivers 1536 kbps studio-quality audio, perfect for lectures or interviews. With 136 GB storage, 8 GB internal, plus 128 GB card, it stores 9,860 hours of recordings. Plus, the 45-hour battery keeps you rolling all day. Love voice-activated mode? Set sensitivity across 6 levels to skip silence. Playback is a breeze with 16-speed adjustments and A/B repeat for transcribing. Privacy matters. The 3-digit password locks your files, and the intuitive smartphone-like design makes it easy to use. Pros? Crisp audio, massive storage, and long battery life. Cons? File transfer glitches on some PCs, and the mic struggles with faint sounds. If you need privacy, pro audio, and endurance, the Aiworth E36 is a top pick, ideal for students, lawyers, or creators. At number 3, we have the Sunlan Digital Voice Recorder. The Sunlan Digital Voice Recorder, perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs quick, clear recordings. Key features: one-touch recording. Just press Rec Stop Play for effortless operation. Perfect for beginners. Crystal clear audio. 1536 kbps DSP noise reduction ensures studio-quality sound in lectures, meetings, or interviews. Voice-activated mode. Saves storage and battery by recording only when sound is detected. Multifunctional. Doubles as an MP3 player and USB storage, drag and drop files like a flash drive. Long battery life. 30+ hours of recording and 7 hours of playback. If you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly recorder with great sound and long battery life, the Sunlan is a solid pick, especially for students and casual users. Taking the number 2 spot is the Crosseagle Digital Voice-Activated Recorder. The Crosseagle Digital Voice-Activated Recorder, packed with features for journalists, students, and professionals. Key features: 3072 kilobyte presets HD recording, studio-quality clarity with PCM noise cancellation, perfect for noisy environments. 100-hour battery. A massive 500 mAh battery lasts days, with autosave to protect recordings during power loss. 64 GB plus expandable storage, holds 4,552 hours of audio at 32 kbps. Great for long lectures or interviews. Voice activation and bundled mic. Starts recording only when sound is detected, plus includes a clip-on mic for interviews. Password protection and file management. Secure your files and organize them easily on device or via USB-C fast transfer. If you need Ultra HD audio, marathon battery life, and pro-level security, the Crosseagle is a top-tier pick. And finally, our number 1 pick is the PLAUD Note Voice Recorder. The PLAUD Note, the future of voice recording. This AI-powered gadget doesn't just record, it transcribes, summarizes, and even organizes your meetings. AI-powered transcription. GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 tech transcribes in 112 languages and creates meeting minutes and to-do lists. Perfect for professionals. Military-grade privacy. Local encryption plus unlimited cloud storage, your data stays 100% private unless you authorize sharing. Dual recording modes. Air conduction for meetings plus vibration sensor for crystal clear phone calls. No more muffled audio. 30-hour battery and 64 gig storage. Records 480 hours of audio and fits in your wallet. 0.1 thick. PLAUD app magic. Trim audio, label speakers, and import external files all in one app. So there you have it. The top 5 best digital voice recorders. Be sure to check the description below for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.